Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Gunbay channel. Today we will gonna unbox something, so stay tuned. Welcome back guys to my channel, and today we will gonna unbox from Flame brand. This is the Infinite Achilles from Flame. As you can see, this is the brand, this is the box. Okay, at the back, this is the black Infinite Achilles. So as of now, I think we don't have this kind of ring. This one, the gold one, I have to buy separately, and we got the original color. Okay, let's open it. And by the way, I'm planning to sell to my fellow Filipino friends. I'm planning to sell my whole burst Beyblade. I'm planning to sell it because I'm gonna focusing on the metal series. This is the Beyblade, and we got the launcher also, and it is a left-right ripcord sparking launcher. The ripcord. Okay. I'm planning to sell it. Just PM me. PM me on my Facebook page. Okay. This is the sticker, and nothing comes inside the box. That's the content of the box. This is the Beyblade. First, this is the ripcord. And if you ask me, yes, I will include these launchers. I think I have 3 launchers, sparking launchers. I have 1 string launcher and 3 ripcord launchers, sparking type for burst and sparking Beyblades. Okay, so this is the sticker, and it's too glossy. I hate this. So this is the Beyblade, and as you can see, there's they didn't include the gold one. Let's open it. So okay, this is the parts. It reminds me of Chozy Achilles. Okay. First, by the way, we got the correct combo. First, this is the gacha chip. This is the chip. I mean, this is the Achilles chip. Next is, I don't know what do you call this. I got this kind of ring. Comment down below. What do you call this ring? Balance ring, or this is the infinite ring? It is right spin. And this is the chassis. 1B. I think this is one balance. Stands for one balance, because this type of Beyblade is balance. Okay, at the bottom, the screws, and the driver, it is the dimension driver, and I think it works fine. I think so. And the tip is made from rubber. Okay, and it's working perfectly, and it has a noob marks here. I'll gonna cut it later. So this spring inside looks strong. So okay, let's build the Beyblade. It's pretty loose. You can feel it. And this one, you have to attach this one. Okay, it has no marks. Okay. It's not clicking. There's no snap sound. Okay. It's tight. Oh my god, the tip is so tight. I can't even wait a minute. It's tight, man. I can't even or it's because of this part. Yo, wow, it's too tight, man. It can't be burst, I think. Oh, it's too tight. It's really, it has a strong grip inside, so I think this one is tough to beat. So there you have it, guys. This is the Infinite Achilles from Flame brand. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and you can share my videos if you're interested. So this is Gunbay channel, and saying goodbye and see you soon on my next video.